Welcome. If you're tired of getting those someone added you notifications on Snapchat and want a quieter, more controlled experience, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn off those notifications in just a few simple steps. First, unlock your phone and open your Settings app. This is where all your device level controls live, including how apps send you notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it to see a full list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, locate Snapchat in that list and tap on it. This will open the app-specific settings where you can customize how Snapchat behaves on your device. Now, look for the notifications option and tap on it. Here's where you can manage exactly what kinds of alerts Snapchat is allowed to send you. After that, tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down all the different types of notifications Snapchat can send, so you can control them individually instead of turning everything off. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Added You. This is the notification you receive when someone adds you as a friend. Finally, toggle off Added You. Once you switch this off, you'll stop receiving alerts whenever someone adds you on Snapchat, while still keeping other notifications active if you want them. And that's it. You've successfully taken control of your Snapchat notifications and removed one of the more distracting alerts. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your phone less noisy and more focused on what actually matters to you. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps and toggle it back.